Welcome to Matters Financial and Geopolitical from a Frontier. Thank you for stopping by. I hope the week's gone well. Currency markets, this is interesting. Euro dollar pops higher, crosses 113. Dollar index dips below 97, 96.90. Japanese yen moves, dollar yen has moved a lot higher, 11.93 last. Swiss franc last at 10012. The pound, 130.71. The Australian dollar back to test recent highs, 0.7155. India rupee, 69.3005. South Korean won, 1139.665. The Rial, 385.72. Egyptian pound, 17.3095. The Rand, 13.993 last, and there's a little bit of a sell here. Dollar bouncing is called for yesterday as well. I think this bull flag is playing out in a breakout of 97.70, currently 96.90, gets 100 minimum in a hurry, so simple trends. Euro dollar, as I said, 113.06, and really it's more a story of the euro yen, where the euro has made big gains. Uber makes its IPO case that it's about the platform and not the losses. It revealed it has racked up $3 billion operating loss last year, and hoping potential investors will look beyond that. Chief Executive Officer Dara Khosrawi-Shahi, stamp on the company, has been branding it as a platform, a word that appears more than 700 times in its IPO prospectus. Uber food delivery business grew 149% year on year to $1.5 billion in revenue in 2018. Uber cites a preferred metric, monthly active platform consumers, otherwise known as people who touch one of its services at least once a month. Uber says it has 91 million MAPCs, more than double the number in 2016. It's 10 years old, the world's biggest ride-hailing company, holds a market share in that category of more than 65% in the US, Canada, Latin America, Europe, Australia, New Zealand. It's looking at being a it says it's still a fledgling character in the broader transportation landscape. Just at the very beginning, it argues, asserting that its share of the entire global transportation business is less than 1%. It sort of reminds me a little bit about the internet era, when it was about so many eyeballs are hitting our site, said Rina Agarwal. Uber Eats is a pretty big chunk of the company right now. We think of it as just a ride-sharing company. I wonder in 5 years what it is going to look like. Uber lost $3.04 billion on an operating basis in 2018 on revenue of $11.3 billion, bringing total operating losses over the past 3 years to more than $10 billion. Lyft, which preceded Uber and listed, may signal some caution. They sold shares at $72. It jumped 21% at the opening bell, only to sink since then, closing at $61 on Thursday. The punchline is this is the largest high-growth tech company that's going to be to the public markets. This is where everyone is going to focus when they think about where they want to allocate dollars from an investor standpoint. So, interesting story. I think it'll be a blowout oversubscription, and it'll probably, if they price it right, post-lift, they'll get a big lift. Gold, I've been saying it looked heavy, but it's at $12.94 last. It's not trading as the bulls might want it to trade. Crude oil, $64.38, up nearly 1% in early morning trading. The price of fine wine has yet to make a new high, but it's been one of the best stores of value for a number of years.